Good morning, Crappie Attitude family. That's a good way to start the day right there. Big high bluebird day right now. We're going to chase them around out here by myself again. Stick with me. We're going to see if we can catch some more crappie. That's a good one. Uncle Bill, I got a crappie attitude. That's a good crappie. That may not be a crappie. If it is, it's a biggin. I think that's a hybrid. I don't know what it is. Hang with me. Came right off the bottom. It may be a big old catfish. Whatever it is, I don't think we're going to boat flip it. That is a hybrid. Maybe I'll get him in here in a minute. Maybe not. That's a good one. I don't think he's legal, but it's a good one. There we go. I said, I think he is legal. He's a big one. Oh, that outlaw handled that old hybrid right there. Wow. How you like that? That's a big old hybrid. That's a 21-inch hybrid right there. I don't know how much he weighs. That's a good fish. It's a big fish. That was fun. Take a look at this. Broke that tip off that jig. Sure did a number on my little... Look at that thing. Wow. That's so cool. Stand by, I'm gonna retie. Another good crappie. I like him. I like it. I like it. That's a big. That is a huge crappie. Oh, that's a good crappie. Yes, sir. good one. What you think about that? It's another good crappie. Yes, sir. That's another good one. That's another good one. I'll take him. I'll take him. That's another good crappie. There's another good crappie. Keeper. Runaway crappie. Just shy of 13. He's not very big, but he's a crappie. This is a bait that Mark Williams made. That'd be a pretty good crappie right there. I think he's another keeper anyway. Ain't the biggest crappie in the world, but he'll keep. Alright. This looks like a blue tie kind of day. Blue kind of day. What's that song? Bluebirds. Never mind. I don't think y'all want me to sing. Barely 11. But he's a keeper. Bluebirds. I can't remember the words. Oh well. Y'all don't need to know anything. Oh, that's a big crappie. That's a big crappie. Wow. Wow. That's a big one. That's a big old good one. A good old big one. Holy Tinkerbell, that's a good one. He's not far big. That's one extreme to the other right there. Yeah. Pretty good fish, pretty good fish. Oh, that's another good one. Yes, sir. There we go. That's more like it. That's still a big crappie. That's a huge crappie. Oh, keep in the boat. Oh my! This thing is huge. The size of that crappie. That's a 15-inch crappie, gang. So that's a 174. For Waco, that's a big crappie. 15-inch. I I don't care if there's bigger ones in here. That's a big fish right there. That's another good crappie right there. Sorry, didn't have the camera on, but that's the results. Oh, it's another big crappie. I don't know if I can. Oh, I can't both flips. Golly. Oh, wow. Holy bejeez. Look at that one. That's another good one. Oh, Uncle Bill. Happy camper. Instead of giggles and grins, let's see. That's a 176, 180, 176. We'll call it 176. That's another good big crappie right there. Another good fish right there. That is another big fish. Golly. That's another good one. There we go. Hey, crappie attitude family. We got a... Hey, Robert. Say hi, Robert. Y'all remember Robert? He and I was fishing together. He's out here today. He's been catching. You got any big fish on there?
I've got some decent ones.
Let's see some big fish. There you go. There's Robert. Got him a few fish on board. He it looks like he's about 9 miles away, but he's really not. He's right there. Anyway, Robert with...
My fish are just that big.
Robert, Working Man Guide Service. Y'all check him out. He'll take you fishing. He's been fishing Waco today. Tell you what, was just talking about that. Waco's about 8 feet up. There's still a whole lot of areas that's underwater. It's not supposed to be underwater, but they're starting to open it back up. Give Robert a shout. We got his number on the other video. Man, I hope you enjoyed today as much as I did. We caught some big old fish today. I'm gonna head in. I'm hot. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, that notification bell over there to the right. Leave us some comments if you enjoy what we're doing. Got any recommendations, you can put those in the comments also. This is Uncle Bill. I got a crappie attitude. Fish out.